Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect to Polymarket Live support. First, open Polymarket and sign into your account. Next, find the chat icon. Look for the blue chat bubble in the bottom right corner of the website. Now click the chat icon and start a support chat by describing your issue in detail. Then, include screenshots, transaction IDs, wallet addresses, or error messages to help support resolve your issue faster. Then submit your request and wait for a response from the support team. You can also contact support through Discord. First, join the official Polymarket Discord server. Next, open a support ticket by going to the support section and selecting #open a ticket. Then explain your issue clearly and provide all relevant details, including screenshots and transaction information. This will create a private conversation with the support team. Another method is to use the Help Center. Before contacting support, search the Help Center for common solutions related to login issues, deposits and withdrawals, trading problems, network errors, and claiming positions. Many issues can be resolved using these troubleshooting guides. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.